Alright guys, today, again, it's raining. Working outside this morning is not going to be great. So I figured what better thing to do than to load up one of the vehicles and go get another motorcycle. So the big question today is, can a motorcycle fit in a Jeep? In a Jeep, there you go. So, big question. Can a motorcycle fit inside a Jeep? There we go. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we need to open it up. Okay. There, she's saying good morning to me. Yeah. Big question is, can I even fit it in here? It's not that big. I guess we'll see what we can do. Alright, I got these lights. Picked them up along the road. I bet they work. They're all solid. So get some bulbs, mount them in the shop. Then we can have some good lighting in there. Everybody's switching to LEDs, but I'm going for the freebies. So hopefully they all work. So I'm looking at this. This is pretty small. I might be surprised if we can get the bike in here. But hey, we'll do what we can. Alright, we'll set out on the road. I'll get a tarp so I don't get it dirty. And we'll try. Too bad I don't have a Gladiator or a pickup truck. But yeah, we'll see what we can do. Alright guys, heading to New Holland. So, rather than throw some awesome music in here, just wanted to let you know that I love driving this road. It's so pretty. I just love, feels like I'm out in the middle of nowhere. But this bike came available to me, and it's hard to pass it up, so let's go get it. Okay, so here's what we got. Engine and frame. The frame has been chopped to make a bobber. There's a bucket of parts. Yeah. And the rest of the bike is over here. We have no idea what's in this pile, but let's see. We do know what it is, even though the tags have been removed. It is a Yamaha Xj650, and there it is, and there it is, and there it is, and here it is. So it was running before it was chopped, so let's hope for. There's a Moto Guzzi tank, and there it is. Let's get it loaded up. Well, this is the only way we're gonna fit it in the Jeep, but luckily it wasn't that big a deal. Like I said, put down the tarp. Make sure keep the Jeep clean, and we'll be off to the races. I mean, this is the way every bike should come, right? Ready to be assembled. Take that, Amazon. Here we go.